In this video, you learn about some legit survey sites that can help you earn over $100 every single day. And this is going to be a no BS tutorial. I'll just show you the survey sites that have good rating, that actually work, so you can decide for yourself which one do you want to use first. But I gotta warn you from the beginning, if you want this method to work so you can earn free PayPal money, what you gotta do is watch it step by step, and you shouldn't miss any of the steps, because if you do, I cannot guarantee it will work. And you gotta know from the beginning that results can vary. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And if you're new, me and my team, we try to upload from 3 to 5 videos every single day. Yeah, I know that's a lot, but there's a reason for it. And the reason is that there's a lot of BS tutorials online, and you want to create a community of people that want to make money online with no BS tutorial. So every method that we put out is it's not a 10-20 minute video, it's like a 3-4 minute video, so you get to understand if this method will work for you or not. So subscribe if you're new, and like this video if you want to help us out. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. And you know what? I can even shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube account. I'll just take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so I'll tell you about 5 websites in this video that can help you make money doing surveys, and the goal will be to make $100 a day. So the first website is actually app.irisu.com, and the cool thing about this website compared to some other websites is you have surveys based on your interests. For example, let's say that you're really interested in health, you can actually start surveys just in the health niche. Or are you interested in cars, automobile niche? Are you good with shopping niche? And the idea of the website is that you would have more knowledge about the things you're passionate about. So if you're very passionate about household or technology, you're more likely to get very accurate answers if you take these surveys. So this is why App Irisu has really good legit surveys that you can take. You can use my code here, DWBS2A, when you're actually signing up, if you want to have me as your referral. I'm an affiliate for their website. The second website, and it's a very famous one, is actually Swagbucks. Some of these websites might not work if you're not in the US. The way to fix that is using a VPN, but do that at your own risk. But basically, they have on their homepage, they have a bunch of questions asked. It's mostly for SEO purposes. You can see those keywords here: make money online, extra money online. But they are a website, they do work. They have, I believe, a $5 bonus when signing up. And something interesting is all online surveys for money have different payouts, while some offering as much as $50. Some surveys might pay you $50. Another website that actually should work in the UK that I came to see while doing the research for this video is actually social.i.say. It says here that you choose the reward that's perfect for you, so you take surveys, earn points that can be redeemed for a variety of rewards, and enter their contests for additional chances to win. And there's some testimonials here. I have never won a prize like this before, blah blah blah. That's interesting. But when we go down, it says explore posts, create your own, connect with other ISA members by answering posts around trending topics, or collect other opinions by creating your own posts. And it's very interactive. You just have some images. For example, what's your favorite Sunday roast meat, and you gotta choose one of these. You just get paid for that. That's one of the easiest methods out there. I really suggest you check the website out. Option number 4 is Pricerival.com. Sign up takes very little, and the cool thing about it is they can pay you in PayPal balance. So if you want to start a Shopify store, buy a domain or something by PayPal, you can get started, earn some money here, and then invest it in your e-commerce store. And if you want to just waste your money, you can spend it on Roblox or PlayStation Store. They have 22 million in cash and rewards redeemed since 2007, $576 in paid online service right now. So you can literally make $576 right now. Which brings us to the last website. The website is actually called InboxDollars.com. They give you $5 bonus just for signing up, so you instantly get $5. And then when you watch videos, take paid online surveys that are legit. You can get paid to read email. Best of all, you can get rewarded for playing games. Again, this website is US only, this one, but you can bypass that with a VPN, but do your own due diligence. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that a video that gives Dr. Way, this is not financial or medical advice. By the end of this video, you should definitely check this video or this video out. And if I were you, I would just click on this video right here. Bye.